How to use WhatsApp stickers on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you have the updated version of your application. If your application is not up to date, then all you want to do is head over to your app store and then update your application. Once you have the updated version, what you want to do is open the application, enter your login credentials, and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Instagram. Swipe right and head over to your story section. Select any of the picture that you want to add it to your story. Let's say I want to add this to my story. Click on it. Now if you want to add WhatsApp stickers, what you want to do is click on the sticker icon at the top. In the search bar, you can simply search for WhatsApp. Different WhatsApp stickers will be available to you. Choose any of the sticker that will be relevant to you. Well, now you can place this sticker anywhere on the screen. You can zoom in or out and then adjust the size of the sticker. Once you are done adjusting the sticker, tap on your story at the bottom left corner, and then your story will be added successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to use WhatsApp stickers on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.